So my beef is finally finished, and this is what it look like. It's looking absolutely delicious. Hi guys, so this is Jody cooking. Today I'm gonna make you some beef and tortilla. So that's my beef. These are all my seasoning. You have jerk seasoning, you have black pepper, you have garlic powder, you have paprika, you have all-purpose seasoning, you have soy sauce. These are all my herbs. You have bell pepper, you have spring onion, you have onions, you have ginger, and you have garlic. And this is my tortilla. So first thing I'm gonna do, I'm gonna season my beef. So that's half teaspoonful of garlic powder and black pepper, half teaspoonful of paprika, 1 spoonful of the jerk seasoning, and 1 teaspoonful of the all-purpose seasoning. And I'm gonna add my soy sauce. Just run a spoonful. Then take my hand and just massage my meat. You can always use a gloves. Just make sure everything is all seasoning. So my meat is all seasoning. You can always leave it to marinate for a better result, but I'm not gonna do that today. So here I have a pot on the stove, and I add 2 spoonfuls of vegetable oil. So I'm just gonna allow it to hot. So my oil is now hot. So now I'm gonna add my onions and garlic and spring onions. And I also add my ginger. I'm just gonna leave it for at least 2 minutes. Then I add my beef. So now I'm gonna add my beef. I'm gonna allow it for it to be brown for at least 10 minutes. So my beef is brown. It's been 10 minutes. So now I'm gonna add some ketchup. Some hot pepper sauce. That's around a teaspoonful. Give it a stir. And I'm gonna also add some water. Not a lot. and I'm gonna leave it back for at least another 10 minutes. And you can also cover your pot, and my stove is on medium. So it's been 10 minutes. So now I'm gonna add all my bell peppers. And I'm gonna leave it for 5 minutes. And I'm gonna leave my pot uncovered. So my beef is finally finished, and this is what it looks like. It's looking absolutely delicious. Just make sure you still have liquid in there. You still have gravy. As you can see, I've got gravy. So make sure it doesn't dry out. So this is what my tortilla look like. I just removed the back from it. You can always get it from your supermarket, but this is how mine's look. So I'm gonna use it right now. So that's my pot for my tortilla. It's on the stove. So I'm just gonna add some butter to it. Then I'm gonna add my tortilla. Just leave it for at least a minute or so. So now I'm gonna turn my tortilla. That's perfect. So just over 2 minutes, guys, on each side, and that's it. So this is my tortilla topping. We got some cheddar cheese, tomato, and lettuce. So for my tortilla wrap, I'm gonna add my lettuce. Next one, tomato. I'm gonna add some more filling. And I'm gonna also add my cheese. Alright guys, so this is how my beef tortilla looks on the plate. Looking absolutely delicious. I hope you guys do enjoy this video. Please like, subscribe for many other videos. I thank you all so much for watching. Until next time, bye.